robins. That is an awful early group of robins. Hardly any bare ground for them to hunt for food. They don't eat seeds. I put up the bird feeder today. I think that's all I'm going to get out of that. That's okay. Got 7.5 gallons into the car. That's pretty good. Might seem a little silly to go through all this extra effort just to put gas in the car, but it saves me about 30 gallons or $30 every 2 weeks. And seeing as how Social Security has decided that, well, since inflation's way down, we're only going to raise your Social Security 1.5%. That won't cover the loss from the increase in insurance prices. Managing losses, best I can do. I know that it's not going to be anything that's going to show me a net gain, but it will reduce the losses a little bit. At least I hope so. So tomorrow, I can take the truck to town, fill the gas cans, fill the truck, and hopefully stay ahead on the game a little bit. At least that is a good plan. I don't know that it's necessarily going to work, but it's the plan I got, and it's the one I'm going to stay with. Main thing is, anytime you run a deal like this, consistency is the only thing that makes it work. Have to be careful with what you do, how you do things, and make sure to stay even with any loss. You can find a way to make a little increase without a loss. That's really good. I walked out here and the robins hopped up into the tree. Lydia likes those mailbox covers. I'm not objecting. I think they look good, but you got to change them all the time. Now, somebody once said that I shouldn't give out my address. Well, from the time I was 8, my parents had a phone. And the phone company had a phone book that listed where everybody lived. And I just accepted that people are going to know where I live. I mean, I go downtown, people know that I live here. Gas company knows where I live. Telephone company knows where I live. Power company knows where I live. Of course, gas company and power company is the same thing anymore. It's all consumers, one big conglomerate. It's kind of a Michigan trademark. They put everybody together in one batch. Definitely melting off the roof. When Lydia and I talked about moving, she wanted to move up closer to Grand Rapids, be closer to the grandkids. I want to move further away from people, not closer to them. I don't mind people. A few of them around are kind of nice. You can develop friendships and help each other. But when you get that many, just the percentages work against you. If you got 10 people and one of them is bad, that's a 10% problem. That's only one guy, and you can keep a pretty close eye on him or her. But when you got 100,000 people, that's 10,000 bad guys or girls. And it's not a one-on-one thing. You know, it's not like, oh, well, there's 100,000 people and 10,000 bad guys, so therefore 10,000 bad guys each take 10 good people and offset them. No. One bad guy offsets 100 good guys because he's plotting to cause problems for all of them. So we try and find places where there's lots of good people, and you really put a big mark on the bad ones. And you let them understand that it's not a healthy thing to mess with you. So if people know where I live, that's all right. They impress me with their ability to cause me problems. It's going to be well worth my time to make it not worth their trouble to cause me problems.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.